Hello, this is JD from Techcanvass, and in this video, we will look at how to get your PMP certification. PMP happens to be the most in-demand project management certification, and hence you can expect both the exam and the preparation to be tough and hectic. The first thing you need to check is your eligibility. Option 1, if you have a 4-year degree and 36 months of non-overlapping experience leading projects and 35 hours of project management training, you are eligible. Option 2, if you have a high school diploma or an associate's degree with 60 months of non-overlapping experience leading projects and 35 hours of project management training, you are eligible for PMP exam. Now, the 35 hours of project management training is optional if you have a CAPM certification. The second thing you need to have is a proper study plan. Consider your study plan similar to your project plan. We recommend 8 to 10 weeks of preparation. If you consider your PMP certification as your project goal, you can plan your other milestones in terms of preparation. We will go through some of these milestones. PMI requires for you to have 35 hours of project management training for PMP application. So we at Techcanvass are a PMI authorized training partner for PMP exam. We provide the 35-hour PMP training that you are looking for. We have a question bank with 1700 plus questions for you to practice. We also have the full-length simulation exams for you to experience the actual test. We have the flashcards and crossword puzzles for you to memorize the PMP topics. The next step is for you to apply and schedule the exam. The cost of the PMP exam for PMI members is $405. For non-members is $555, and in case you are wondering, the PMI membership costs you $139. You can see clearly that you save $11 by purchasing a PMI membership and then applying for the exam. In case you are not from US, you can check PMI website for your local fees. Though you can schedule your exam later, we recommend that you schedule it as soon as your application is accepted by PMI. The reason being, you can work reverse from the date and that will have a sense of exam pressure as well. You can attend the exam either from the center or from your home, depends on your choice. You can consider factors like power cuts and networks, and sometimes exam tension is good to perform. And moreover, I would prefer to worry about the exam rather than logistics like power cuts and networks. Once you have applied for the exam, you can focus on your preparation. You need a couple of resources. The PMBOK guide happens to be one of the major reference guides for the PMP exam. We have the 6th edition of PMBOK guide which is relevant for the PMP exam, and in addition to it, we also have the Agile Practice Guide. On top of that, we also recommend that you go through the PMBOK guide 7th edition, which may also be relevant for the PMP exam. The soft copies of all these 3 guides are available for you to download if you have the PMI membership. On top of this, we strongly recommend for you to have a prep guide. A prep guide helps you to evaluate yourself chapter-wise and use the dynamics around the project management terminology. We will understand more from the next slide. From here on, it is more about prepare and practice. The more you prepare and practice, the greater are your chances in successfully getting through the PMP exam. As I mentioned earlier, you can use the prep guide to practice the exercises at the end of every chapter and repeat through the book to make sure that your scores are improving chapter-wise. Let me remind you that you can focus equally on agile and predictive models as both are weighed equally in the exam. Make sure you understand all the answers in the prep guide. Be it right, be it wrong. You need to understand why the answer was right, and you need to understand why the answers were wrong as well. We recommend that you attempt at least 3 full mock exams from your training provider. And make sure that you score above 80% from your last 2 attempts before attending the actual exam. And finally, when you are satisfied with your mock exams, you can go and attend the actual exam. We wish you all the best. If you are looking to get PMP certified, please reach out to us. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.